John and Charlotte. Welcome to Skydive Tennessee.
Thank you.
How you doing this morning?
Good, awesome.
All right, so whose idea was it to come out here?
It was mine. It's my 40th birthday.
Oh, well, happy birthday.
Thank you.
So either of you ever done this before?
Nope.
All right, well, you ready to get in that plane, go about 2.5 miles, and go fly above these clouds?
I'm ready.
All right, well, any last words before we get you on there?
I don't think so.
Let's go.
Go.
All right, well, it's gonna be a blast. I'll make y'all look good. Happy birthday, Charlotte. Open that door and jump out. Any last words? Do it. Ready? Do it. Stand up.
You may get up this way.
Tell me about it.
Whew. It was the scariest thing ever, but it was absolutely awesome. I'd do it again.
What was your
that first initial jump was like, it just literally took my breath away.
Mm-hmm.
But that was awesome. That was,
You jump with this guy again?
sure would.
Oh, really cool.
Hey,
I would.
that was a fantastic jump. I hope you enjoyed it. It was beautiful up there.
Beautiful up there. I just love seeing it.
Thank you for letting me be a part of it.
Thank you.
Zach, great jump. Welcome back.
Oh my goodness.
Great job.
Woo.